today we are gonna go on a hunt for a Treasure X. So, before we get started, subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. We're gonna get started now. Come on, join us! Mama, come here. I have something important. Mommy,
What is it?
come here.
What is it?
Mama, I found a treasure map on the bench.
A treasure map.
Uh-huh. Let's take it off and look at it.
Let's go show Alex.
Alex! What? Come here. So, you guys, I found this treasure map out on the bench when I was coming back home. So this is weird, and I already looked at it and it said this. Look at this.
What's it a drawing of?
It's a drawing of a treasure map.
Treasure?
Yeah.
Cool. Can I see it?
It's old. I think we kept going past it and it was sitting there for many years.
You know what I think it looks like a picture of? What do you think it looks like a picture of?
Treasure map.
Yeah, but it kind of looks like a room in our house, doesn't it?
It has a Christmas tree and our Christmas. Guys, I was walking home from a meeting and suddenly I looked over at the bench and then I saw this. I do not know, and Alex isn't coming down to look at this.
Maybe he can help us.
Yeah.
I'll call him again. Alex, Alyssa found a treasure map. Do you want to help her?
So, you guys, this treasure map has been sitting there for many years and it's ripped a little bit because pirates' maps are ripped a little bit if they are old. And this is old. It was tied with a hair thing. That's what it was tied with. So, when we get started, and I think the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man left this when he was getting the stuffed animals.
Maybe that's where it came from.
Yeah, the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. I've been seeing something white when I went past the front door on my way to school. I saw the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man walking with a purple treasure map, and then he put it down on that bench, and then on my way out I forgot to look at it. Hello?
All right, show Alex what you found, Alyssa.
An old treasure map. No, the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man left it. Let's follow it. So, where is
this is
the piano? So, first we walk to the piano. Now let's see if we could find any clues. I don't think there are clues on this one. Guys, this got back in our house.
Well, maybe we know who left the map now.
Yeah, he got in. That's bad. He got in when I was going to school, I think.
Okay.
No.
We'll leave him here.
Oh, I think I found one. What? What does it say? I am simple. I only point and help guide boats all over the world.
Sounds like a riddle. I am simple. I only point and help guide boats all over the world. What am I?
Well, that guy didn't make it for the Titanic.
Look, there's a clue on it.
A boat.
A boat. But what's on the boat, Alex?
On the ankle.
Looks like there's a clue.
I think I get it.
Oh, wait.
Follow the map. What does it say? What does this say up here? Follow the map.
Alex,
What?
did you say
Mama. Mama?
Did you say Alex? Did you say anchor? And what else did you say? Who's on the paper?
A compass.
What about on the back? Is there anything on the back?
Compass.
Oh, it does say compass, so we were right.
I know where a compass is. Be
Okay.
right back.
I don't think we need the compass. Let's see what the next part of this is.
Okay, this chair. That it means this one. Hey, it means this one.
All right, look around. See if we can find the next clue.
Found it!
You
What
found
does
it?
it say?
All right, let's see. Alex, let's read it.
Read it. What has legs but cannot walk?
What has legs but cannot walk?
What? The map is upside down.
Hey, look.
What? He's back!
With a clue. What is that?
A table!
A table. Let's see it. You're right. It is a picture of a table. All right. So, what has legs but cannot walk? It's a table. All right. What is next on the map?
It's Chris. No,
What is it?
it's not a Christmas tree. It's what is this? A shelf! It's a
Here,
shelf.
let's look at it.
A shelf. It's a shelf. It's a shelf.
The toys. Well, look. It's on something. Alex, what's that word right there?
Window!
Okay, it looks like Lisa got it. All right, what's it say?
What has hands but cannot touch? What has hands but cannot Let's look on the back. Does it have legs or not?
I don't know. It just says hands.
So I guess it doesn't have any legs. Mommy! Here's with the clue. A clock! Hey, I was gonna say that.
Oh, that makes sense, right? What has hands but cannot touch? So we did the first clue, the second clue, and the third clue. And now it looks like we can get to the X.
Come here. I found it. Mommy, I think I see something.
What?
I think I got something. A treasure X. Here, let me have it. Let me have
Was
it.
that the treasure?
Yeah. Let me have it. Come on. So, you guys, we found the treasure and it's a treasure X. Isn't that awesome? Let's open this.
Here, why don't you put it on this baking
Yes.
pan?
Me? For me too? Yeah. I opened it a little bit. Your turn to open it. Where's the map? Hey,
What
let
is that?
me
You
have
wanna look
it.
at
Let
it?
me have it. Let me have it. Let me-
Okay, hold on, Alyssa. Let's look and see what the directions say. So it looks like that first you find the map.
I found it.
Okay, we found the map. Second, rip the gold layer.
I think I can't get it. I can do it.
Here, Alex, you get this, and it says Alyssa. You put this in the water.
This, Alex. Hi, guys. He's right now opening. My turn. My turn to try. Alex, my turn, please.
Okay, after he's done with that, then it's your
Hey,
turn.
Alex, after you get it out, wash it off so we can see what it is. Well, I didn't mean this one. I meant the head first.
You wanna wash that one off? What is it, Alyssa?
A leg. It's a,
Okay, so the first piece is this leg.
get it, get it, get it. I guess they all have animal stuff. It's coming out from the bottom. I got a punch from the bottom. Looks like the open hand. I gotta put it back in the water. It sunk to death. It fell. It's gone now. Just kidding. Ah, eat my dust. I gotta get it more. It's a hand. It looks like a dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Looks like some kind of dinosaur. Wait. Ah! Ben! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Go back there, please.
Look, it's the what? It's the thing that's a cave. It's the
It was called an X-Rex,
yeah.
right?
Guys, do you see the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man anywhere? Behind you! He has something for us. There he is. You never know. He stole our treasure, X. Thank you. It's none of your business. The Nutcrackers monsters are spying on us up there, so they'll tell Toy. Today, we went on a treasure hunt and Treasure X map. Look at it. Awesome. And we found this cool Treasure X. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And here is our dino down here. Bye-bye. Bye. It's next week. See you on our next video. Bye-bye. Bye.